Forgotten username recovery failed on Swan Bitcoin App Fix. If you've tried recovering your Swan Bitcoin username and failed, most people get this wrong by rushing the process or entering outdated information. You won't believe how straightforward it is once you know the right steps. Step 1. Open the Swan Bitcoin app or website and select Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Swan Bitcoin will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam and junk. Recovery emails often get filtered, and multiple requests in a short period can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your email is no longer active, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, and recent deposit history. Contact Swan Bitcoin support with this information. Providing linked bank account details can speed up verification and restore access more quickly. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it in a secure location, such as a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, preventing future login issues and keeping your Bitcoin investment safe. Following these steps ensures a smooth recovery process. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for safeguarding your crypto assets on Swan Bitcoin.